Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to convert denary or decimal number to hexadecimal number. Let's have our first example. Let's say we have 24 base 10 or decimal number, and we want to convert it to its equivalent hexadecimal number or base 16. The method in converting denary or decimal number to hexadecimal equivalent is the same when we convert base 10 to base 2 number. The only difference is that we divide this number by 16 instead of 2 because we want to convert it to base 16. When we want to convert it to base 2, we have to divide this by 2. So that's the only difference. 24 divided by 16, it will give us 1. 1 times 16 is 16, and 24 minus 16 is 8. And then whatever quotient we got, we will divide it by 16 until we get 0 quotient. So here we'll get 0. 0 times 16 is 0. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So the remainder is 1. Okay, and then we will read these remainders from the last remainder to the first remainder this way. 24 denary or decimal number is equivalent to 1/8 in hexadecimal. Let's have another example. Let's have 45 base 10 and we want to convert it to base 16. So again, we will divide this 45 by 16. We'll have 2. 2 times 16 is 32, and we'll have here 13. Okay, the remainder is 13. And then we will divide this quotient 2 by 16, and we'll have 0. 0 times 16 is 0, and we'll have remainder 2. If the remainder is between 10 and 15, we have to convert this remainder to its equivalent hexadecimal letters. So what are these letters? Okay, 10 is equivalent to A, 11 is equivalent to B, 12 is equivalent to C, 13 is D, 14 is E, and 15 is letter F. Because whatever remainder we get here is actually equivalent to denary or decimal number, not a hexadecimal number. It's just that 0 to 9 in denary is also 0 to 9 in hex. So that's why we don't need to convert when we get a remainder 0 to 9. Okay, just for clarity, these numbers are in denary and these numbers are in hex. It means that the equivalent of 13 here is D. Okay, so 13 is D. Finally, we will read the remainders from the last remainder that we got to the first remainder. So this way. It means that 45 in denary or decimal number is equivalent to 2D in hexadecimal number. So that's it. In our next video, I will show you how to convert hexadecimal into its equivalent denary or decimal number. So stay tuned. See ya. Bye-bye.